आइसक्रीम पड़ा है फेंक दो. Don't stock it.
I have read a beautiful quote, whether it is relevant here or not. When God blesses us with more wealth, we should increase our standard of giving rather than we should increase our standard of living. So better to
So
be
whatever
giver.
is there, please start giving it up or food donation drive. Run low, go donation drive.
Back in the social club, and
Yeah. So, of course, you reminded me well. So, yeah, that's the concluding remark that I reserve for myself, because these are the two complementary documentaries and everybody should watch it in terms of or in context to this topic. So that's all I can say.
Very good topic.
Mobile covers, Renu?
There was an interview which I was listening to of Sudha Murthy, and she said that when her grandmother died, she only had 4 saris, and that is the thing which I wanted to achieve. This is what she said about it.
she's an
Apparently,
It's so difficult.
Yeah.
So difficult. It's very difficult to dispose of things. So he gave actually 3 statements. मैं पढ़ दूँ? So the first was declutter. Everywhere, your mind, your stuff, everything. So does this add value in my life? Think about it. Even if it is coming, even if it is a statement coming in your mind, declutter it. Second was prioritize needs over wants. I think so. That's very difficult, but easy path to achieve minimalism. And third was practice gratitude and containment. So nature is actually there to see. Nature is like so much surprising elements which are black swans which are there in nature. Let's experience that rather than experiencing all this materialistic stuff. Now I'm saying these are the targets. I'm immature, I'm the beginner, I haven't practiced, I'm the victim, I'm the culprit. But yes, this is the destination we all should try to reach. 4 saris, I think so. That is the ultimate target for all of us. Very difficult to achieve. Yeah. Nice. Over to you, Bharti. I'm done.
So
How was it?
it was good.
Right?
Okay. So a very mindful and very interactive session of open for discussion. So with this we close today's forum for participants.
May I request one thing
Yes,
before
ma'am.
closing? Shifali, being the new member, how did you find this forum?
To understand it.
As you please be comfortable. Yeah.
So I found this open discussion forum very interesting. I think everybody could include their own life examples. It was not very formal. It was a kind of formal, informal discussion, and at the end it gave us something to learn, to practice, to preach in our daily life. So I found it very interesting, and I would like to be part of all the open discussion for in the future. Yeah.
Sure.
We all are.
most welcome.
You are.
Like, because you already say whatever you want to say. I didn't know the topic or anything. I just knew some points about it and I discussed
That's the
it.
beauty of it. So herein we are just discussing it for the sake of getting some output
Yeah, right.
out of this discussion, which can make us much
Learn
more
new
improved
things.
version of
Version of
ours.
ourselves.
So that is important. That is important. That's one. Chitra, I'm not very happy with the book review this time. It was crisp, it was good, gave us the highlight because I read this book. So the context was more like financials, the economy, right? So we can create some kind of activity. मुझे लगता है ब्लैक स्वॉन को जिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में समझना चाहिए था ना